Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Madison Middle School, home of the Mustangs in Oceanside, California. Another beautiful afternoon, getting to share my heart here in the library with the AM/PM students and staff, part of the after-school program. And I've seen so many of them over the years. A lot of them came up to me after the talk today. They're in junior high now, but they remember when I was at their elementary school, some of them since pre-K, which is pretty cool to see that I keep coming back again and again, and they still remember not just my face, but my heart, the message, the core of what I always try to preach. Today's focus, though, was on compassion. The sub-theme was one life at a time. And we know that in just 2 seconds, we can uplift or tear someone down. We can be the builder or the wrecker with any situation in our life. So wanted to really kind of impress upon them, the importance of our words and our actions each and every moment, each and every day. But that for us to really be all in and kind of attuned to people around us that might need our help, might need our support, we have to move past, some of those hurts and pain in our lives. So we did focus on that a little bit. We talked about our painful memories, when they were, what they were. And a lot of us have a lot of similar ones, it makes us more connected than we think. And the more vulnerable that we get with each other, the more that we start to realize that we're not so different, that we're going through some of the same things, have gone through it, currently going through it, will go through it. And if we can kind of put ourselves in someone else's shoes, that's kind of what compassion's all about, right? Is to really have a heart for someone else and the struggles that they might be going through. But at the same time, it takes it up one notch where you go and try to help that person out, to the best of your ability. And sometimes it's a kind word, sometimes it's a shoulder to cry on, sometimes it's just being present, just listening, not always knowing what to say, but just, being there for support like best friends do. And we know that every action, can sometimes take very little effort, but the impact can be enormous. And when they start to grasp, the immenseness of, their words and the power that they have, I think that's where today's topic really started to come into play, where they understood the idea that all of us, always have this power, to uplift or tear down. And hopefully we're gonna be the people that try to help others rise, that we rise by lifting others and really believe in that. And first, that means that we believe in ourselves and our self-worth, our own self-esteem, like the lines on all of our hand. The students, of course, remember that all of us with the lines on our hand have the letter M. I traced one of mine here again. Wore the shirt today too for miracle. We know upside down it's W for worthy, but we have at least one in each hand. Sometimes that faint line connects, that M does stand for miracle. And it's up to us to go be that light to someone else's heart, not just in our space here in the after school program, but throughout our entire school community and the community where we live. We can always look for moments and opportunities where we can go help those that are in need, those that are less fortunate, those with a small voice or no voice, right? And so through the powerful videos, a lot of the stories that definitely hit the heart. Some of the students said that too, it hit me right here. I said, well, that means that, that's really what compassion's about. Something struck a heart chord, and now it's up to you to go do something about it, right? To go and try to live with that kindness. And some of them have told me that they are doing that. And it's pretty cool because the more they do, the more that they receive the kindness back, that people are genuinely kind to them. The more they give, the more they receive. And that's really how it works. So always awesome to see the wheels turning. I'll be back one more time in May. Another really important topic, really important theme. Until then, they'll have a great next few months. And as always, feel free to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.